Hi guys, this is chemistry madam. Today our topic is isomerism. So in previous class we studied about crystal field theory, Werner's theory, Sidgwick theory and valence bond theory. So today our topic is isomerism. What is isomerism? Already you learnt in your previous classes, Nana. So isomerism means the compounds having same molecular formula but different structural arrangement, differ in spatial arrangements of atoms. Those isomers, those elements, those compounds are known as isomers. This phenomenon is called as isomerism. Again listen, the compounds having same molecular formula but differ in spatial arrangements or structural arrangement or different chemical properties and physical properties also, Nana. So those compounds are known as isomers. That phenomenon is called isomerism. So these isomers are two types. So first one is structural isomers, second one is stereoisomers. First one is structural isomers, second one is stereoisomers. Structural isomers and stereoisomers. So structural isomers are so many, Nana. So first we discuss about structural isomers. Structural isomers. So in that only having the meaning structural, that differ in structure, having same chemical formula but differ in structure, those isomers are called as structural isomers. So in structural isomers, in coordination compounds of structural isomers are 6 types, Nana. First one is polymerization isomers, second one is ionization isomers, third one is hydrogen isomers, fourth one is linkage structural or salt isomers, fifth one is coordinate isomers, sixth one is coordinate pair isomers. So these are the isomers, Nana. First one, polymerization isomers. First concept you note down the what is isomers. So how many types of isomers? Then in that you take first structural isomers. In that discuss what is the first structural isomers is the polymerization isomers. Polymerization isomers. Polymerization isomers. So in this polymerization isomers, the compounds having same empirical formula but differ in molecular weights. Same empirical formula. Did you remember empirical formula? In intermediate you calculated, no? C3H3 Cl3 means how could you write? CHCl. 3:3:3. That means 3:3:3. That means 1:1:1. That means 1:1:1. That ratio. Empirical formula once you remember. So having same empirical formula, the coordination compounds having same empirical formula but differ in molecular weights. So see one example for your understanding. See one example. Platinum, so platinum NH3 of 2 Cl2. So the other compound is platinum NH3 of 4 platinum Cl4. So before we discuss isomers having same molecular formula but different structural or spatial arrangement. But here see platinum, one is here and two are here. So how can these both compounds having same molecular formula? Once you think here platinum 1, here platinum 2, two platinums. Here ammonia 2 chloride 2, here ammonia 4 chloride 4. So the definition see once, polymerization having same empirical formula, not molecular formula, having same empirical formula but differ in but differ in molecular weights. So see, platinum 1 ratio, see, 1 is to ammonia, 2 is to chlorides 2. 1 is to 2 is to ratio of this compound, this element, this coordination compound. Then see how many platinums are there? 2 platinums, 2 is to ammonias are there, 4 is to, then chlorides are 4. Do cancellation, 1, 2, 2. 1 is to 2 is to 2. Same empirical formula, no? But differ in molecular weight. Platinum here 1, here platinum 2 platinums, here 78. I thought platinum atomic number here 78 plus 78. 7 double the atomic weight is the double the atomic number now, 78 plus 78. 4 78s are there. So 1 is to T is to T, 1 is to 2 is to 2. So that means polymerization. These isomers are called polymerization isomers. Okay, Nana, say again. Polymerization isomers. The coordination compounds having same empirical formula but different molecular weights. So here see platinum NH3Cl2, platinum NH3,4, platinum NCl4, both are the polymerization isomers. So how could you say these? Find out the first. You find out the ratio. 1 is to 2 is to 2. Platinum 1, ammonia 2, chloride 2. Then platinum 2, ammonia 4, chloride 4. Here also 1 is to 2 is to 2. So same empirical formula but different structural arrangement. Okay, different molecular weights. Sorry. So second one is your material. That means what you have chemistry material, that is not fair in isomerism concept, Nana. So everybody note down these examples. Okay. Second one is ionization isomers. Ionization isomers. Ionization. Ionization means the decomposition of ions. The decomposition of ions. That means cation, anion. So the ions, and that means the interchange. That means exchange of coordination sphere to ionization. The exchange of ligands. The exchange of ligands. The coordination sphere to ionization sphere. Those isomers are called ionization isomers. See, platinum NH3 of 4 Cl2 Br2. This is ionization sphere, this is coordination sphere. Then platinum NH3 4 Br2 Cl2. See, both are platinum NH3 4 Cl2 Br2, platinum NH3. The ionization sphere coming to coordination sphere, this coordination sphere going to ionization sphere. The exchange of ionization sphere ligands to the coordination sphere ligands. Those isomers are called ionization isomers. So how could you say ionization? See, once when we add this compound in any solution, the decomposition of ions, see, platinum NH3 of 4 Cl2, this complex, this total plus Br2 plus 2 Br2 minus 2. This one Br2 plus 2 minus 2. That means Cl minus 2. Ionization, interchange of ions, ionization. Okay, simply we are saying the exchange of ligands from ionization sphere to coordination sphere to ionization sphere. But when we keep in this when we keep this component in solution, these two are decompose to ions. That means cation, anion. Already you know the cations, anions. This is anion, cation sphere. It is anion. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే మీకు క్యాటయాన్ అయిందో, యానియాన్ అయిందో, ఇక్కడ క్యాటయాన్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ క్యాటయాన్ అయితే ఇక్కడ అయనైజేషన్ అవుతుంది. సొల్యూషన్ వేసిన అయనైజేషన్ అయింది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే అయనైజేషన్ ఐసోమర్స్ అని. దెన్ హైడ్రేట్ ఐసోమర్స్. Third one is hydrate. Hydration means what? What is the hydration? Hydration isomers. Hydration isomers means the number of water molecules in attached to the metal ion as a ligand. So it is hydrate isomers. See example Nana. Chromium H2O, 6 Cl3. Then chromium H2O, 5 Cl2, Cl2 H2O. Observe the example. Then chromium H2O of 4 Cl2 H2O. Observe Nana, chromium H2O of 6 Cl3. Here chromium H2O of 5 Cl2 H2O. Chromium H2O of 4 Cl2 of Cl2 H2O. So this is the just the change of, that means in coordination sphere hydrate ions, that means water molecules are going to ionization sphere. So the different ionization the hydration isomers means differ in the attaching of water molecules to the metal ion in coordination sphere as a ligand. Coordination sphere ki attach అయిన ligands nature బట్టి మనం ఆ బాడీ యొక్క ఐసోమర్స్ ని డిఫర్ చేస్తాం. See first this one violet color nana, violet color, this one green color, this one dark green color. The same molecular formula but different in hydrate ions. That means these isomers are called as hydration isomers. Okay, see this total Cl3. Okay, violet color, green color and dark green color. Hydrate isomers. Here see 6 ligands, 6 water molecules ఉన్నాయి కాంప్లెక్స్ లో. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఏమైంది 5 అయిపోయింది. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇది ఏంటి ఆక్టాహెడ్రల్ స్పియర్ కదా, ఆక్టాహెడ్రల్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకి Cl వస్తుంది. ఆ H2 ఏదైతే రిమూవ్ అయిందో అది ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే గ్రీన్. అది ఏ కలర్ లోకి వస్తుంది అంటే గ్రీన్ కలర్ లోకి వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్రోమియం H2 of 4 Cl2 Cl, that is the dark green. Okay nana, these are the hydrated isomers. Next linkase isomers or salt isomers. Linkase isomers. What are the linkase isomers? Linkase isomers means the donor atoms attached to the metal ion as a ligand. So the two donor atoms in one molecule attached to the metal ion, those isomers are called as linkase isomers. So many ligands, that means so many ligands sphere wise are attached to the metal ion. No? So linkase isomers means the two donor atoms in one molecule as a ligand, that ligand attached to the metal ion. See here cobalt. So this is also octahedral sphere nana. 1 ammonia, second, third ammonia, fourth, fifth ammonia. Here cobalt +2 complex nana, +2. So ammonias 5 this is octahedral sphere now. 5 ammonias are there. Then see NO2 nitroso compound, NO2 nitro. So these are amino groups, 5 amino groups and nitro group. This is the one of the coordination compound. So see the isomer of this compound CO NH3 NH3 here attached O nana ONO NO2 here N is the donor atom to metal ion. Here O oxygen is the donor atom, that is called, these two are linkage isomers. So having same molecular formula but differ in donor groups as a ligand. ligand అనేది మెటల్ అయాన్కి మనకి ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ఇస్తుంది. అలా ఇవ్వడం వల్ల కోఆర్డినేషన్ కాంప్లెక్స్ అనేది ఫామ్ చేస్తుందని మనం చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. సో అదే విధంగా ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే N అనేది NO2 అనేది లైగండే, NH3 అనేది కూడా లైగండే. So both ligands are giving electrons to the metal ion, that means carbonyl cobalt. Here cobalt C, here given N nitrogen to the cobalt ion, cobalt. Here oxygen ONO nitro given to the electrons to the cobalt. Okay, these two isomers are linkage isomers. Then next isomer is isomers are coordinate isomers. Next isomers are coordinate isomers. Coordinate isomers. Exchange of ligands from one metal ion to another metal ion. Two complexes are there, Nana. So the exchange of metal ligands from one complex to another complex. See here chromium NH3 of 6 plus 3, cobalt NH3 not CN cyanide of 6 minus 3. These two. So exchange of ligand, this ligand coming to here, this ligand going to there. See chromium, exchange of ligands to metal ion. Those isomers are called coordination isomers. This is coordinate with the metal ion is coordinate with this ligand. This metal ion is coordinate with this ligand. But here these ligand coming to here and coordinate with this metal ion. These ligand is going to there and coordinate with cobalt ion. That's why these isomers are called coordination isomers. Chromium CN of 6 cyanide 6, chromium cyanide 6 plus 3 as it is, plus 3 only chromium oxidation number. Next cobalt NH3 coming to here, NH3 of 6 minus 3 as it is. Okay, these two isomers are called coordination isomers. Then next one is linkage isomers, coordinate linkage isomer. Coordinate linkage. Coordinate position isomers. Coordinate position isomers. Coordinate position isomers. So coordination complex also there. Position, the changing of ligands positions attached to the metal ion. So those isomers are called coordinate position isomers. These isomers are we are seeing in polynuclear complexes. Not only single atomic polynuclear. That means see cobalt attached to the hydroxy group, here 2 ammonias are there, here 6 ammonias, 4 ammonias, total 6 ammonias, here Cl2, outer ionization sphere Cl2. Okay, this is the polynuclear sphere, coordination sphere. Now see isomers NH3 of 3 Cl, 2 Cl now, 1 Cl coming to here, NH3 of 3, total 6 and ammonias, 6 amino groups ki 3 amino groups coming to this side, 3 amino group coming to there. See, not OH, NH3 of 3 Cl, Cl. Not there any change in ionization sphere nana, only changing in coordination sphere, the interchanging of positions of ligands themselves only. దానికి అవే ఏం చేస్తాయి, ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అయిపోతే పొజిషన్స్. అలా ఇంటర్చేంజ్ అయిపోవడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుందంటే మనకి ఐసోమర్స్ అనేవి ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. ఇలాంటి ఐసోమర్స్ అనేది పొజిషన్లో చేంజ్ వల్ల వచ్చింది కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే కోఆర్డినేషన్ పొజిషన్ ఐసోమర్స్ అంటే. కోఆర్డినేషన్ అనేది కోబాల్ట్ అనేది హైడ్రాక్సీ గ్రూప్తో, కోబాల్ట్ అనేది హైడ్రాక్సీ గ్రూప్తోనే ఉంది. కాకపోతే మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ అయాన్స్ లైగాన్స్, ఇవి కూడా లైగాన్సే కదా, క్లోరైడ్. సో అవి ఏం చేస్తాయి అంటే అసిమెట్రికల్ ఫామ్ నుంచి సిమెట్రికల్ ఫామ్కి ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 4 అమోనియాస్ ఆర్ దేర్, ఇక్కడ 2 అమోనియాస్ ఆర్ దేర్, క్లోరైడ్స్ 2 ఆర్ దేర్. But here also same, but this is here 4, here 2 means here exchanging. See here from NH3 4 to coming to here and NH3 Cl means it's unsymmetrical is symmetrical. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఇక్కడ సమానంగా లేవు లైగెండ్స్ అనేవి. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, ఇటువైపు ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో ఇటువైపు అన్నే ఉన్నాయి. సో నాట్ చేంజ్ ఎనీ అయనైజేషన్ స్పీర్. అయనైజేషన్ స్పీర్ అనేది ఏమీ చేంజ్ అవ్వలేదు. కోఆర్డినేషన్ స్పీర్లో ఉన్న కాంప్లెక్స్లో ఉన్న గ్రూప్స్ మాత్రం చేంజ్ అయ్యాయి. ఓకే, దాని పొజిషన్ చేంజ్ అయింది కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే పొజిషన్స్ ఐసోమర్స్, కోఆర్డినేట్ పొజిషన్ ఐసోమర్స్ అంటారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద టోటల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చరల్ ఐసోమర్స్ నాన్న. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ we will discuss about stereo isomers. Okay, so I hope you understand. Any doubt call me. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.